felt there were very fine people on both sides. He said he felt there were some fine people on both sides.
But even before Biden launched his campaign, the media was already bracing a level way.
In spirit, he's with what he calls the fine people among the ranks of the Nazis.
Very fine people on both sides are in Charlottesville.
Liam saying there's some fine people among neo-Nazis.
The President of the United States said the people, there are some very fine people.
But that never
Two
happened.
boys.
Trump didn't praise the
Oh,
neo-Nazis.
and a good kick.
He condemned them. And was talking about the protesters on both sides who weren't part of
This is our first time out in the kitchen. I don't have very many toys out here just yet. The adults are blocked off in the other room.
Very fine people on both sides.
They've only been in this kitchen for about 5 minutes, so they're exploring right now.
You had people in that group that were there to protest the taking down of, to them, a very, very important statue. And I'm not talking about the neo-Nazis and the white nationalists, because they should be condemned.
What do I have on the TV?
After 7 long years, the Democrats' favorite fact checker.
Okay. My toes are wrong. You guys are making a lot of noise for little bitty babies. Oh boy, Mr. Nosy, Cyrus. Most of the time in the beginning, they won't just leave the carpeting that we throw down on the floor because the wooden floor is so slippery. But doesn't seem to bother him yet. Oh, or him, or her. I knew she had to potty. Adam, that's enough. You're not coming out. Sorry. I know you'll open the gate if I let you out, so you'll just, no. You have to wait till we're done. I had to wake Cleo up to bring her out. She was asleep. I mean, even when I picked her up, she didn't wake up. So she's moving a little slow, but she's waking up. That's the two boys. Let me stand on you and show you who the boss is. I think somebody wants to go to sleep.